Hi, I'm recording this video to go over the details of the BYO service at WINaTALENT. BYO actually stands for Bring Your Own, and the purpose of the service is to help employers and freelancers who already met outside of platform of WINaTALENT, and they would like to work with each other. So WINaTALENT will be acting as a middleman and an escrow account, helping clients to manage the work of their freelancers and process the payments. In order to start with the service, the first step would be for the freelancers to send an invite to their clients. They can easily do it in their profile on the website just by entering the email address of the clients. And once the client receives the invite, they can complete their sign up. And in their profile on the website, they will see a card like this in the Bring Your Own tab where they can send the offer to their freelancer. Now, when you press on the send offer button, you can just easily fill out the required fields. You can create milestones for the project. You can add as many milestones as you would like, but you just need to keep in mind that if you add more than one milestone, you will need to make the payment for all the milestones before you can send the offer. So if you add, for example, two 200 euro milestones, you will need to make the payment of 400 euros in order to create and send the offer. Once the offer is sent to the freelancer, they will need to accept the offer in their profile on the website. And when they accept it, a job will be created in the jobs tab. Now, of course, I don't have a job right now in the jobs tab, but once the job is created, you can manage the milestones. When a milestone is finished from the freelancer side, you can release the payment of that milestone to the freelancer, and you can also add more milestones uh, when the work is being done. So you're not actually obligated to make all the milestones that you would like right from where you create the offer. You can add them whenever you want. Now, when you want to create an offer, as you see, you will need to make the payment of 400 euros. You can do that online on the website, or in order to get an official invoice from us, you can ask for that, and we will be topping up your wallet on the website, and you can use the wallet credits in order to create the offer. Also, whenever you release the payment of one milestone, you will get an automated invoice, and you will be able to check that in the wallet and transactions. In wallet and transactions, you will see all the invoices for every milestone that you have released for a freelancer. So thank you very much for taking the time and watching the video. Please do let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to working with you.